Hello friends, welcome to Economics Lovers. Today I will discuss Rawls theory of justice. Okay, so it is the part of the welfare economics. It is important for UGC NET exam and other exam also. So before going to discuss about Rawls theory of justice, tell me something about what is the Rawls theory and what is the background of the Rawls theory. Basically, Rawls theory is propounded by John Rawls. Okay, he was an American philosopher American philosopher and this theory uh, work on article name was something uh, social justice. Okay, and social justice and also ethics, and this work of the John is based on Kantian view. Okay, Kantian was also a modern philosopher, modern philosopher and this theory, Rawls theory, is a discussion about social being or social state of a society. Social state or social being of a society based on or working on the behind of veil of ignorance. हम लेटेस्ट स्लाइड में देखेंगे वो जो veil of ignorance क्या होता है वो हम देखेंगे. तो veil of ignorance से डिस्कस करने से पहले थोड़ा और एक कंसेप्ट डिस्कस कर लेते हैं. मेन aim of theory, that is, one was social right, other was to, you can say, social inequality. Okay, social inequality reduction, you can say, reduction or social right of individual. Okay, so स्लाइड पर जाते हैं क्या इस थियोरी का मकसद है. So Rawls theory of justice tells what's fair choice of situation. तो सोसाइटी में क्या फेयर हो सकता है इसके बारे में रॉल्स थ्योरी डिस्कस करता है. इस ट्राई टू एस्टैब्लिश जस्टिस, क्या न्याय होगा उसको डिसाइड होगा किससे, बाय मीन्स ऑफ फेयर एंड इक्विटी. by fair and equity. What is equity? Equity is nothing but equality, and fair means which is fair, which is unfair. That is determined by the Rawls theory, and Rawls theory will tell what is the fair and what is the equity. Okay, we consider two people. Okay, just taking an example here, two people, say, you can say A or B. Okay, just considering here, and social state is X and Y. Okay, in first social state, that is X, क्या है, one people has 1 lakh and other people has 0. But in Y social state, where both wealth 1000. Okay, so this is the social state and two people and their wealth distribution. So in this situation, Rawls का मानना है सोशल सेल्स मेट बिटवीन एक्स वाई फ्रॉम भेल ऑफ इग्नोरेंस। वो जो रॉल्स थ्योरी है that I discussing, it is based on all these things on the veil of ignorance. Okay, so veil of ignorance क्या होता है थोड़ा सा डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। विदाउट एनी काइंड ऑफ प्रायर नॉलेज, ओके, आपको पता नहीं है आप कौन हो, ओके, आपको सोशल आइडेंटिटी नहीं पता है। सो इन दिस सिचुएशन व्हाट विल योर बिहेवियर, दैट्स इज डिस्कस्ड इन रॉल्स थ्योरी। ओके, सो सोशल आइडेंटिटी में क्या क्या आता है, जेंडर, यू डोंट नो व्हाट इज योर जेंडर, ओके, मेल और फीमेल, वेल्थ, यू डोंट नो योर वेल्थ कंडीशन, ओके, and class, okay, what will be your class, and race, that means something, religion, you don't know what your race, and income, you also don't know what is your income, and other factor also included. So this factor you don't know, you can consider as a child, okay. So during a child don't know who he or she are, okay. So in this situation what will be their veil of ignorance, okay, they in this situation they try to behave in such a manner that is based on veil of ignorance, okay. So veil of ignorance में वो सोसाइटी के वेल बीइंग करना चाहेगा, ओके, वो खुद का और सोसाइटी का, दिस इज द veil of ignorance. सो तो हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे टू सिचुएशन था एक्स और वाई, एक्स में ओनली वन पीपल हैज 1 lakh and y social state both 1000, okay. So in this situation social state, what social state will be y. Why y will be social state? Because of people don't know whether he will be millionaire or pauper, because people don't know what he will be. If x choose, then he will be millionaire or pauper, but if he choose y, then what will get? So each people will favor y. Why? Which secure certain wealth. हो सकता है करने के लिए आप 1 लाख आप जीत सकते हो और नहीं भी जीत सकते हो, ओके, 2 चांस है आपका. एंड in case of y social state, whatever you get, you have certain amount, that is 1000, okay. So in this situation people will favor y because there is a certainty, but in x social state there is something uncertainty, that's why y will here social state. Rawls criteria, that's why Rawls criteria is chosen for मैक्सिमाइज यूटिलिटी ऑफ वर्स्ट पोजीशन. सो रॉल्स क्राइटेरिया क्या करता है, मैक्सिमाइज करता है किसका, वर्स्ट पर्सन का व्हाट यूटिलिटी का मैक्सिमाइज करता है, और क्या करता है टू मैक्सिमाइज द मिनिमम यूटिलिटी, वो मैक्स करता है, क्या करता है मिनिमम यूटिलिटी को वो मैक्स करता है, वो रॉल्स थ्योरी. फॉर दिस रीजन इट इज ऑल्सो क्या कल्ट, इट इज ऑल्सो कल्ट मैक्सिमम क्राइटेरिया. सो इसलिए रॉल्स थ्योरी को मैक्सिमम क्राइटेरिया कहते हैं, क्योंकि वो कोर्स पीपल का और मिनिमम पीपल वेल्थ का वो मैक्सिमाइज करता है, इसलिए वो मैक्सिमम क्राइटेरिया कहते हैं, ओके. सो अनदर एग्जांपल देख लेते हैं, क्या कहते हैं एग्जांपल. There two conditions, that is x and y. This is another condition, this is a social state x and this is also a social state y, okay. So y belongs to y1 to yn and x belong to x1 to xn. So what is x1 and xn? X1 is nothing but distribution of good among n people. So here is the distribution of good, that means wealth, you can also say there is the wealth, this is the distribution, okay, among n people. And we say that y rules x, that means y is more better than x, okay. We are discussing another example that is written in later here. This is the y rules x, that means y is rules superior, you can also say y is rules superior than x if minimum of x1 to xn is greater minimum of y1 to yn. क्या होता है थोड़ा सा न्यूमेरिकल से समझ लेते हैं। जो आप x सोशल स्टेट है उसमें क्या क्या डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन है, फर्स्ट पीपुल, सेकंड पीपुल, थर्ड पीपुल। फर्स्ट पीपुल 50, second people 100 and third people 150, and similarly for y social state 90 rupees all, and z social state where first people 80 rupees, second people 250 rupees and third people also 250 rupees. So there are three kinds of social state. If we sum up all these thing, then what we will get, this is 300, this is 270 and this is 580. So here रोल्स क्या कहता है, रोल्स कहता है कि वो जो y है y इज बेटर देन व्हाट x, सो y होगा बेटर। क्यों बेटर होगा, बिकॉज ऑफ देयर इज द among three people something equality, okay, for this reason it is better, but their total sum up is छोटा, or you can say small than this or this, okay. So here is the sacrificing of some wealth, so you have to sacrifice something 30 rupees, this is the sacrificing amount. So here you sacrificing 30 rupees but you getting something more equality, okay. So रल्स का क्राइटेरिया होता है क्या, कि y will be better because of y is tells about equality. नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पर हम लोग जाते हैं. So however y is better than z also. Why? Because of here is some amount of equality, then this there is the high chances of inequality, okay. So for this reason y also will be a social state, or you can say it is the better preference among people because of there is the lots of equality. This theory is working because of veil of ignorance, okay. So veil of ignorance again क्या होता है, veil of ignorance nothing but you don't know who you are. So in this situation your behavior will be social being and your being also, okay. There is something loss, that is sacrificing amount also, because of if you subtract that amount 580 and 270, that is what you get, it is the sacrifice amount, but there is lots of equality also, okay. But in the real world most people would like to take some risks with large gain, they will choose Z. क्या होता है, who are rational, just think about this situation, who are rational they try to take some amount of risks. In this situation Rawls theories, that is veil of ignorance, does not working. In this situation people want to behave like rationally or try to behave his maximum utility. So in this situation 80 का चांस क्या है, 80 का चांस थोड़ा सा कम होगा 1/3, ओके, एंड 250 पाने का चांस होगा 2/3. So in this situation people will try to take less risks, okay. So they will try to maximize their utility. So in this situation Z will not be state, okay, Y will be a state to the people, okay. That's mean not social state, because of roles there does not working here, okay. So schedule state. And limitation of the theory. Limitation is basically if we consider many goods, okay, and individual taste difference, okay, आपका जो इंडिविजुअल कंसिडर करना चाहेंगे हम लोग उसका उसका टेस्ट डिफर करने से आपका थ्योरी अलग हो जाएगा, ओके, दिस थ्योरी विल नॉट बी एप्लीकेबल. एंड सेकेंड क्या है, पैरेटो ऑप्टिमल को कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट करता है, ओके. सो पैरेटो ऑप्टिमल में जो इम्प्रूवमेंट है इसका इसी एक के भी और सब नहीं करने के बाद तो वो जो इम्प्रूवमेंट होगा वो सोशल स्टेट नहीं भी हो सकता है, क्योंकि लेट्स सपोज कंसीडर कर लेते हैं टू पीपल ओके, टू पीपल 70. So if you maximize these people, that is by 10 rupees, that is 80, and this is again 70. So this is Pareto improvement, no confusion. But Rawls says that it is not the social state because of there is a something inequality in the social state among people, you also can say. So Pareto criteria will not satisfy the Rawls criteria, okay. And it also contradict the established criteria or the new welfare theory, you can also say, that is compensation criteria, that is Kaldor-Hicks, और स्कीटोफैक्सी क्राइटेरिया एंड सैमुएल्सन क्राइटेरिया. वो क्यों नहीं सेटिस्फाई कर रहा है वो अलग कंसेप्ट है, वो हम लेटेस्ट स्लाइड में देख लेंगे व्हेन वी विल डिस्कस द कैल्डर थ्योरी एंड स्कीटोफैक्सी थ्योरी एंड सैमुएल्सन थ्योरी. वो हम अलग लेक्चर प्रिपेयर करेंगे. इसके बाद फर्स्ट हम जनरल इक्विलिब्रियम डिस्कस करेंगे, देन पैरेटो कंडीशन, देन न्यू वेलफेयर इकोनॉमिक्स, एंड देन सोशल वेलफेयर फंक्शन, ओके. दिस से ये लेक्चर बनते रहेगा, ओके. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.